So, nasa Hotaru 119 kami sa Rama 9 and today we're going to try their omakase, no? So, first time ko tong mag-try ng omakase with my sister. So, she's the one holding the camera behind me, no? So, let's go inside. We're gonna try their 14-course meal. So, I'm very excited and let's see. Let's go. Wow, amazing.
Bago natin simulan, ano nga ba ang omakase? Ang omakase ay isang Japanese dining experience kung saan hindi ikaw ang pipili sa menu, kundi ang chef mismo ang maghahanda ng mga espesyal na putahe base sa kung anong pinaka-fresh at pinakamaganda sa araw na yon. Para sa experience na to, kumain kami sa Hotaru Omakase. May iba't ibang course sila na nagsisimula sa 799 baht o mga 1,400 pesos. Ang kinuha namin ng ate ko ay yung 799 baht na set. May dalawang branch ang Hotaru Omakase, Sanampao branch at Rama 9 branch. Pinili namin ang Rama 9 kasi mas malapit ito sa bahay namin.
Hi guys, nasa Hotaru Omakase kami. It's a very personal, intimate experience. But we just ate something very delicious. Ate, what do you think it was?
I think it was a Japanese squid and they had some sort of foam. It was salty.
Oh my god. Very delicious. So guys, what we have is the 799 baht 14 courses na omakase, and we will start explaining them, no, as we get the food. Pero we started with an opening drink and then the yung squid. So we're gonna have our next food next. Pinakita nila sa amin yung yung squid and the raw foods. May parang din tissue. Tignan mo, ang cute. Ang cute ng parang marshmallow. Hindi to pagkain, guys. This is hand towel compact. What's the flavor like at them?
It's just squid. It's a little salty. I see a hint of char hint.
Wasabi.
There's wasabi.
Chewy as well.
It's chewy. It's nice. It's salty. It's refreshing.
Delicious.
A little bit of sourness as well. It's really nice.
What did we just eat? That was the madai.
Madai. Sea bass. With like yuzu. Oh my god.
So good,
I
right?
don't like raw fish. But that was incredible.
Mas like explosion in your mouth, no? So, guys, feeling social ka. I mean, guys, lamig kaya mo ang kaon. Parang, especially na usually kay Pancit Canton, lutong bahay lang, to eat something like this, amazing kayo siyang experience. And then they tag 799 for 14 courses. So now naapami sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5th course. So siya, there's more coming. Mga how many more? 9 more courses. So we're very excited. So right now, guys, we are in the main course, which is the madai, and then we have how many more main courses? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 courses, and then we go to the soup and then to the dessert, which is a tamago cake. So they have it all here in the list. So are you excited? I am. Guys, the food is being prepared in front of us, no, and we get to see the chefs like really making the sushi with the rice and the fish. So, asa na ta? Sa hamachi na ta next.
I think so.
Okay, hamachi next, and then hotate. Honestly, guys, kabaloon sa ni sila. Pero, it sounds delicious.
It is delicious.
And then, naa sila yung murag wet cloth, and then napoy ginger. No, and then ang nasa drink nga murag kuan pod complimentary drink nga gihatag sa tuwa. This is green tea, iced green tea. I think so. So yeah, looking forward to the next meal. So guys, may golden specks na on my hand. They sprayed gold no on the sushi. Hamaji. Oh. Oh, hamaji and shimaaji. Oh. Wow, and can eat the gold? Sparkles. So, na-try namin yung sushi na tawag nila hotate galing sa Hokkaido. Tas may topping din siya na fish shaving. So, amazing. And next, kakain kami ng Oh, okay. Thank you. So ito guys, sabi nila dip the shrimp daw sa whipped cream. So ano kayang lasa nito ate, no? My first time whipped cream with tempura. Pero sarap siya. Kanina, that was tempura na nilagyan ng whipped cream at may unsan ite? Truffle?
Truffle with cream.
No, truffle with cream. So, very interesting yung blend of tastes. Salty, then yung cream, and then truffle. So, someday, dalawa na to sila magpapag-ingani, no? Doon siya? Kanamura siya. Very unique, exclusive na experience.
Very intimate.
You get to try different things that you normally would not be able to try outside, no? So, give this a try.
Yeah.
So, we're going to try the, unsa ni siya? Unagi sando. It's the last sa main course. So, unagi sandwich. Eel sandwich. Guys, busog na kayo ko. Unsa o manin? Napay, 2 more. So, nami shiromi soup and tamago cake. So, that was the unagi sando, which is eel sandwich. This is what it looks like. Eel with in between the sandwich. Guys, tapos na, and this is the last meal na sinerve. Ito yung tamago cake, which is Japanese cake. Guys, we're done with the food. So delicious.
Delicious! Oh my gosh.
Do you have any favorites?
Ooh, my favorite would have to be the sea bass
Sea bass.
with the soy
The-
soy sauce that they had. It was really good. I didn't expect it because I don't normally eat raw fish, but this was nice.
My favorite was yung first na may sprinkle of gold. Kasi na-amaze ako. Tas yung chef, na-sprinkle din niya ng gold yung camera ko. So, hopefully. Pero they put it on the hand.
Yeah, they put it on the hand. The one that they asked us to be. He asked us to do this.
Uh-huh.
And then nilagay butan niya ang sushi dili niya sprinkle niya og gold.
Gold. So, interesting siya to eat from the palm of your hand. And what I can say is, siya, intimate setting siya. Look at this place. It's here around Rama 9. It's like a house, no? Para siyang bahay, and it's actually a small intimate setting. So it's what I find difficult about this place as well is it's not as accessible. So going in here, you will need to book a Grab or a Bolt or come in your private car. Pero other than that, it's a very nice experience. This is Hotaru 119 in Rama 9. No, there's also in Sanampao. They also have one location there. Pero since we live in Bangna area, we chose this location. So, ayun lang, my sister booked a Bolt ba or Grab?
Bolt.
Yes. So, from Bangna area, how much is our transportation? Around almost 200.
200 lang.
Oo.
200.
So, let's say if you were from...
Sinakain?
Sinakarin area.
It's not so bad.
Yeah, diba? Because this is Rama 9. So, it's inside this cute little village. So, yeah, I think very worth it siya, guys. Especially if you're going on a date, you want something special. So, yan, guys. I would recommend this place. Anything else to add there?
Siguro, because with omakase, you don't have a choice of what you want to eat. It's the chef's decision what he wants to eat. So, be open-minded. Today we've tried foods we would never, we would not try personally, but turns out they turned out really good. Yeah.
Personally, I would not eat wasabi.
Or raw fish.
Oo, pero when you put raw fish na fresh, ang sarap nun, and wasabi, it was okay. Maybe you can request the chef no na, don't put too much wasabi because there was a point where I was like, ganun ako. Yung parang I was trying not to eat too loud, pero ganun ako sa alakas ng wasabi. Pero overall, very delicious.
Dahil papasok ang restaurant at hindi siya accessible by public transportation, nag-grab lang kami ng ate ko papunta. At kung gusto niyo naman itry itong Omakase experience, pwede kayong mag-book sa klook.com. Gamitin niyo ang code na JamrellBKlook para makakuha ng 5% discount. Ilalagay ko rin ng link sa description box sa baba. Thanks for watching and God bless!